Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix 007 for a slight audio not working. Here's what you're gonna do. You wanna go to search, type in control panel. Once in control panel, you wanna switch this to large icons and find here sound. Click on it twice till it opens. And now you want to find which is default speaker for your case. In my case, it's the headphones. You want to right click on it, click properties. Now you want to go to levels tab and you want to make sure it's not set to 0. And if this is like muted, you want to unmute it. And now go to advanced and you want to make sure to set it to 48,000 hertz. You can try different channels, whichever works best for you. And also, what you can do is untick this, allow an application to take exclusive control of the device and give the exclusive mode application priority. And what else you can do is turn off the spatial audio. After you're done all of that, click apply, click OK. And after you're done with that, you can go back to here, click on device manager. Now go to audio inputs and you want to find your speakers or headphones, whatever you're using. In my case, this is the speakers. You want to right click on it, properties, go to drivers and update driver, and you want to search automatically. If you don't find any, what you can do is close this out, exit out of this, go back to search, type in run, type in MS Info 32, and in here you want to look for baseboard product, in my case B450 Gaming Pro. Now you want to go to Google, type in B450 Gaming Pro and click the first link or the manufacturer website for your motherboard. Now you go to support, then drivers and download, and now you can click either on drivers or utility depending on your motherboard manufacturer. Now there's like two options. As you can see, there's a high definition audio driver which you can download, or go to drivers and click here onboard audio drivers and download the latest and greatest version. And after you download it, you want to install it. And after you install it, what else you can do is open your NVIDIA app or AMD app, go to drivers and download the latest and greatest drivers, and it will install the NVIDIA audio, which should hopefully fix your issue. So you want to press Control, Windows key and V on your keyboard, and it will open this sound output window, and you want to make sure that you're using the right sound output. If you have more than one output, or like if you have headphones and speakers and whatever else, you want to make sure that you're using the correct device for the sound. And after you take it, you can close it out. And what else you can try is go to device manager again, scroll a bit till you find sounds, video game and controllers. Turn off or disable the NVIDIA high definition audio, which can cause issues with the games, with the crackling, not starting, etc., and not sound, and like having no sound. So after you've done all of that, you can restart your PC and then try relaunching the game, and the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix 007 for slight audio not working, crackling, muffled, or whatever else. Hope this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.